Hello guys, good afternoon. Joseph here, and this is the third video 3 of our YouTube traffic masterclass. Alright, so please pardon me if you hear noises in the background, car noises and other noises. I'm kind of like I'm at a medical laboratory right now, so pardon me. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about SEO. Alright, we're going to be talking about SEO. So how this works is you're going to be needing some plugins. Okay, plugins you're going to be needing this vidIQ. Alright, so you're going to be needing vidIQ Vision for YouTube. Now this browser is Brave, so you have to google it, like vidIQ extension, Chrome extension. It's if you're using Chrome. I'm using Brave, so Brave and Chrome are using the same kind of extension. So if I search vidIQ Chrome extension and it shows, I can still add it to Brave because Brave uses Chrome extensions. Alright, so the next one is Keyword Everywhere. Keyword Everywhere 2. This Keyword Everywhere 2 is actually, it has a paid version, and I have 0 credits left. Okay, so it helps you to get more keywords and all those kind of stuff, but then I really don't really see the much of paying for it, because I can use the same thing on vidIQ and TubeBuddy. Alright, so download, install vidIQ extension, install TubeBuddy. Alright, so this TubeBuddy is the one I really use. And also when you install Chrome extension, let's say our video is what was that video we search? Is it black water? Let me just use something else. Let me say forex exchange, forex trading. Alright, so let's say this is our main keyword. Alright, so forex trading, look at the work now. Look at this, is TubeBuddy now, I believe, or it's Keyword Everywhere. Yep, it's Keyword Everywhere. Okay, this is Keyword Everywhere. So Keyword Everywhere is showing insights and maximum views, average views, keywords and all those stuff. So it's showing you all that. Now this is the vidIQ option. This option needs to be activated. Alright, so you click it and then it's going to be showing you keywords below this video. So now we want to avoid videos that are having no keywords inside of them. Like this one doesn't have any keyword and tags. This one doesn't have tags, so they're just ranking. This one is a live video, so it's ranking. Okay, from here you will not see the tags because this is a free option of vidIQ. Alright, so and this is a volume, the composition, medium, all those kind of stuff. So that is just that for this. So these are the stuff you're going to be using, and TubeBuddy too. Alright, you're going to be using TubeBuddy too. Now the reason why we want to do this for keyword research purposes. Okay, so what you're going to do is look at, wow, sorry, it seems this video doesn't have tags. Alright, this one doesn't have tags. You can see the rest have tags, has tags below them. Okay, so what you need to do is the ones that are ranking very high, you want to copy the tags, okay, and save them in the notepad file. You want to copy the tags and save in the notepad file like this. If you can't copy them, I used to open the videos then copy the tags, because I get insights from what to write in the stuff. And then let me say,
over the course of the next few minutes we're going to go through some of the basics.
Okay, and then it's going to load. I'll copy the tag. I'll copy this tag and put it in notepad. Okay, now I'll go to another video. Now this is the video tags. This is what we wanted. The SEO score is not bad, and from the stuff here you can actually get what to write. Now I'm actually the lazy type, So I used to copy the description too sometimes, and then I'll just model it, okay, reward it and all that kind of stuff. So this is Videolytics this is a tool with Videolytics. Show you all this, but I don't think you're gonna need this for now. So after you copy the tags, you close back, you search for something else. So say forex trading strategies, and then now we have got into another keyword. As you can see, the competition is a little bit going higher. So what we want to do now is we want to check for the ones that are ranking that has tags. Okay, so this one is ranking. The easiest for the strategy. As you can see, I've already copied the tags here before. Look at, I've viewed this video before. So you go and copy the tags, do the same thing you did. Copy the tags, copy lots of tags, okay, and drop them. So that's just what we want to be doing for now. And the another way to get trends is by using the keyword planner or the Google Trends tool. So using the Google Trend, using the Google Trends to get to put our stuff here. So forex trading, our keyword, and then we're going to get more keywords. As you can see, this is its past 12 months. Now I want the past 30 days. There is 30 days, past 30 days. So we want to search for the past 30 days. Alright, so these are related queries. What is forex trading and how does it work? Forex trading scams. As you can see, 150%. Forex trading for beginners, so 50, 150, 250. So these are what we are going to be putting into this YouTube to search for tags and keywords. Okay, so these are related topics, but I don't really go to this, but these are the queries. These are where I look, okay, and I look at the percentage. As you can see, it's 150% and it's rising. This is 150%. So a lot of people search forex trading scams and what is forex trading and how does it work. Okay, so these three queries, I'm going to be putting them here and I'm going to be searching them. Forex trading scams, scams, right? Or scam, yes, scams. So now, as you can see, there are a lot of stuff. Look at the competition is low, but the volume is high. All right, competition is low, but the volume is high, and you can see there are lots of tags here that you can also still copy. Okay, a lot of tags, and don't forget you're going to put in your researched keywords into it. Okay, you're going to put your research keyword into your tags too. So you're going to put in these queries, copy them, and you're going to place them on top. Okay, you're going to place them on top. Place them on top. Now remember, if you are doing this, you are doing this for the video that we researched. Okay, I've forgotten the name of the video that we did. The video that we copied for in video 2. I've forgotten it, please. And I don't have time to check it now. My battery is about to die. So this video is already too long. So I'm going to be ending this video here. In our next video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the tool, how to do your SEO properly, and what score you need to have for you to be okay with it. Alright. So anyways, video here. Peace out.